Good evening everyone, it's time for another lock picking video. The lock in front of you is a Securit. I ordered it on eBay. Well, I actually ordered a cast bureau cylinder on eBay and I got sent this instead. I hope it's not the same quality as what the cast would be. I've never picked a cast padlock or a Euro cylinder, so it's hard to compare, but this lock doesn't really feel all that secure. There's the bitting on the key there. Just the lock works okay. That's it locked up. So there are security pins in the lock, I believe 4. So just use the homemade tensioner there. It's again proven to be useful. So just light tension, and number 1 is binding. Number 2, click on it. Number 3 is springy. Number 4 is now binding. Just to click on it. Number 5 is springy. Just to click on 6 there with a bit of counter rotation. So just back to 1. It popped up again. The thing with this lock is that there you go. The pins do, once you get them set, they do pop up again. You need to just let a little bit of tension off just for the spool pins. They don't feel like deep spools, but it's just trying to get that tension right where you just let it off slightly for the R pins not to pop up. But once they do, they're clearly binding pins again. So it's handy enough to actually find, the pin that's causing the problems. I'll just show you. As I said, it's not the most secure lock, so this is just a hook, just a size hard hook, and just have a little flip around inside. Go. So just try the triple peak here, the triple peak or bogota, whatever you want to call it. So just in very slightly. Again, it's open, so yeah, it's one of those where you think you could pretty much open it with anything. So there's a, let me see, there's like one of the snake rake type things, or whatever you call them, worm rakes, or out of the Securit kit. I haven't actually tried this, but I'll give it a crack. So yeah, it opens it as well. So let me see, I'll try it's just like a tension wrench. It's probably getting a bit ridiculous now, but I'll give it a crack anyway. So if I can get it in. Problem with this is actually getting it in the lock. There you go. So yeah, Securit. Probably the strap line I would have is don't secure it with a Securit. So yeah, it's not exactly what you would call top quality. So if you're looking for a lock for your front door or your back door, I would give this one a wide berth. On the other hand, the that I mentioned in my last video, it is an absolute